So guys, if Python is not working in your command prompt, then it might be the case that you have not edited your environment variables. What you have to do is you have to select this path. This is the path where most of the Python scripts are installed, and when you install Python, this is the path where Python is installed. You have to go to users, then your username, then app data, then local programs Python, and the version of the Python. Okay, so you have to copy that, and let's see, just paste this path, and you can see in this path there is a python.exe script, and in the scripts file you can see all of the other scripts like pip, pip3. If you want to run it, like if you want that, if you type pip, then pip will run, right? Like this is running right now. It will only run if you put in the environment variable. So just go to search and type environment variables. Then after going there, just go to environment variables, then go to the path, then edit the path, and we have to add a new path. So we'll go with new path, and the path will be this. Okay, copy this path, paste this path there, and go to scripts, copy this path also, click on new and add this path too. So you have given both the paths where the executables of Python and pip is placed. So yeah, now you guys are pretty done. Now the Python will run. You have to restart command prompt. If it still doesn't work, restart your PC. But if it still doesn't work, then comment down below. I'll fix it.